In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Outlook to a board in Monday.com. To get started, open Monday.com and navigate to the specific board you want to connect with Outlook. Make sure you're on the correct board before moving forward because the integration will be set up directly for that board and will control how information flows between Monday.com and your Outlook account. Taking a moment to confirm this now can save time later, especially if you manage multiple boards for different projects or teams. Once you're inside the board, look for the Integrate or Integrations option. Depending on your Monday.com layout or account version, the wording may vary slightly, but it will lead you to the same place, the Integrations Center for that board. Click it to open the available integration options. This is where Monday.com lets you connect with external tools and automate actions between platforms. After the integrations window opens, use the search bar to look for Outlook. Typing it in will help you quickly filter the list and find the correct app without scrolling through all the available services. When Outlook appears in the results, select the Outlook integration to begin the setup process. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Microsoft Outlook account. Go ahead and log in using your Microsoft credentials, and if necessary, approve the permissions required for Monday.com to interact with Outlook. These permissions are important because they allow the two platforms to communicate securely. As always, make sure you're signing into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Outlook profile for work or personal use. Once you're signed in, the next step is to choose the trigger and action you want to use. This is the part that defines how the integration will work. The trigger is the event that starts the automation, and the action is what happens next. Take your time here and select the combination that best matches your workflow so the integration supports the way you already work instead of creating extra manual tasks. After you've made your selections, save the integration and test it. Testing is an important final step because it helps confirm that the connection is working properly and that the trigger and action behave the way you expect. If something doesn't work on the first try, review your settings and account connection, then test again, and that's it. Once the test is successful, your Outlook integration with Monday.com is ready to use.